Last week I needed a new padlock, so I took myself off to Mole Valley Farmers, where I was drawn to the Squire DCL1, largely because, as you can see here, it had a security rating of 6 out of 10. It does slightly beg the question, who on earth buys a padlock with a security rating of 1 or 2 or 3 or even 4 out of 10? In the same way as I'm not sure who'd ever buy a condom labelled small. Perhaps Squires would do well to relabel all of their padlocks as just very strong. I digress. The reason for this video is to demonstrate a slight flaw with Squire's packaging. I don't know if you can see here, but the instructions are just this image here with a sort of what looks like a tuna can opening rather easily. So it seems to be suggesting you should peel the sticker off. It's not really clear whether it's the front or the back, but let's give that a go. Oh. No, that's not coming off there. So perhaps if I try the back. No, it's... Oh, God, it won't come off. Perhaps if I take a screwdriver. Oh, God. No. God, I'm going to be here all day. How about this? A Stanley knife. The keys are in this box here on the back. Let's see whether I can... Oh, God! Bloody hell. No. Oh, Christ! No, that's not going to work. My next thought, actually, this is the second one of these locks I bought. The next thing I thought was to use one of these. A decent sledgehammer, but unfortunately, although it worked, it also slightly damaged the keys, which rendered the product unusable. So I rang Squire and said, perhaps you could send me a new one, given that it's impossible to open the packaging of the old one, to which they said no. So there's only one way I can think of to get into this bloody padlock. So here we go. Chuck it on there. There. And one of those. There we go, that's got in there. Now Squires, you might notice it's okay for me, a middle-aged man with a chainsaw. What if I was an 80-year-old granny? Sort it out.